Alright guys, so it has come to my attention. Just kidding, it hasn't. It's nothing new. I ride like an asshole. I also drive like an asshole. I'm gonna have to censor those in the beginning because YouTube's not gonna like that in the first 30 seconds. But we're gonna do something a little bit different today. You know, I'm gonna try and see what it's like to do, like, let's maybe try to please certain people, you know? And I'm gonna do this because honestly, like, I have people that follow me that, you know, I care about some of y'all. I appreciate some of y'all's opinions. So what we're gonna do today is, if you guys saw my last video where, you know, I have a Stig down in Mexico who rides for me and I do a voiceover, and, you know, he kind of rides like he rides, all right, you know? So I'm gonna ride today pretty chill. We're gonna do some low speed. I'm not gonna, like, there ain't gonna be no lane splitting at no 150 mile an hour, none of that shit. We're just gonna chill, you know, keep a nice chill ride. I gotta get on the highway, I gotta go get some fuel. There's still obviously gonna be lane splitting. There's still gonna be, you know, a little bit. I'm not gonna sit here and say that we're, you know, I'm not gonna say here and hey, I'm gonna be a good boy 100%, but I'm gonna keep it chill this video. And by that I mean, like, I'm not gonna go up next to cars and scare the crap out of them and this and that, which, by the way, I think is kind of funny because, like I said, most of these cars, like, you see all these guys here, every one of these people, they drive like assholes. Everybody's entitled, everybody is in their own little world. So what I'm thinking we're gonna do today is we're gonna do some low speed chilling. You know, keep in mind speedo's in kilometers per hour and reads really high, so it's not actually correct. So like at 90 we're doing like 45, you know? Let's just go with that. So I'm gonna circle back when we get on the highway and I'm gonna show you, we'll do some low speed, you know, just chilling on the highway. Let the engine rev, you get to hear it. And honestly, this thing's pretty damn expensive to ride. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm putting, I think, 20 bucks in it every other day. So I spend probably, I don't know, 80 to 100 bucks a week on gas in this little thing. And it's only gonna get worse. The tuning, I said I was gonna get back to you guys on the highway. You know what? Let's just skip all that. Let's just get on the highway. All right, so we are about to get on the highway now. And like I was saying about the tuning, it's only gonna get worse, honestly, before it gets better, because, like, bigger engine, so 750 instead of a 600, and tuning and whatnot. Yeah, I mean, this thing's gonna definitely, fuel mileage is only gonna get worse. And I completely drew a blank to what I was gonna say. So I guess we'll sit here and wait. All right, so I remember what I was gonna say. So I was gonna say about the channel, you guys also keep in mind, this channel does not have a foundation yet. It doesn't have a core supporting audience. It's like it's completely fresh, completely new. We don't know what's gonna get views yet. We don't know what people are gonna follow for yet, and I don't want the channel to be fake. Like, I really don't want to, like, act and just do things that I don't want to do. So the way that I ride is just kind of the way that I ride. Same thing within a car. So we're gonna kind of build it up from that. I'm not gonna fake anything or whatnot. Like, you can see, speedo says 90 and we're like casually chilling in traffic. So rather than, you know, being an asshole like yesterday's video, I'm gonna kind of like be a little chill, you know? Like, we'll go through, but we're gonna do it nice and slow. We're not gonna, you know, scare the shit out of people like we did yesterday's video. Like, we'll come through here just nice and easy, you know? We're not gonna fly by no windows. But about the foundation of building this channel up and kind of like making it something new, something that people are gonna want to follow, kind of like the main channel. I'm not sure what people are really interested yet. I know what I like to see. That guy, that's a tire. So you gotta watch for shit like that on bikes as well. But I'm not sure yet what people are gonna want to see or they're gonna want to be interested in, you know? Like, I can tell you too, on a bike, like, a lot of these guys are out here crashing these things and just not paying attention for what it is. And you also got to realize, all right, we're in 6. You got to realize that you got to take each situation and judge it for its own, you know? You got to make sure that every time something is gonna happen, you have to be prepared for it. Everything. Like this guy right here could slam on his brakes to 0 right there. You know, you just got to be prepared for that shit. But I give you a casual little cruise. I can't. Alright, we're gonna scare this one. We'll do it once. Alright. Now that we got that out of the way, I had to do it once, you know? But that was just a shitty situation. Dude's like taking way too long to pass. So now we got a clear open lane. That lane over there is completely ass, and this lane's pretty smooth. So you guys will see. Nice smooth lane for the most part. Whee! See, alright, so I'm gonna show you. You're gonna do a low speed, just kind of chilling. We're not gonna scare people. We're just gonna kind of come up and through, not scaring people. And then we'll come back over here. See, this guy could come over and not see me. It's just one of those, you gotta be prepared for all of that. Whee! All right, we'll chill here. See if I can. You want to just reach out and grab it. Look at all that shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Where's all that coming from? Oh yeah. I don't know what all that is. Look, there he goes. What the hell? See, this guy's just like my guy. You guys see what I mean? Like I can't be like, this is just, holy hell. I'm already running late, so it's like one of those. I wish I could get an answer now. Do you guys want to see like high speed shit, or do you want to see me just be like boring and chill like this? Like, cause I'm actually running kind of behind, so I need to like get moving. It is not a cop. Okay. All right. Yeah, I can't. Fucking dudes be driving slow as shit. I just need my gas. Turn her off. Get us some gas. Remember when y'all bullied me out of selling my Ninja 300? I kind of miss how cheap that thing was to run. It was like $10 and it would last me like 3 days. And then y'all said, oh, that's a scooter. This is y'all's fault. You all are the reason. Now I have an expensive hobby that I didn't need to have, because I bought the Ninja 300, and y'all were like, oh my god, that's a scooter boy. Oh, so it was dirt cheap. Then I start riding this and it's like $20 every other day. Also, it could kill me at literally any second. Even if I ride nice. Wow, I actually got 130 miles out of that. Sorry, kilometers. I got 130 kilometers. Alright. Damn it. Where's neutral? No, it's not neutral. That's neutral. Okay. There you go. Alright. So we're good. We're gonna head home. Huh? Hold on, I can't hear anything. What's up? Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. Have a good day. All right, there we go. Kids admiring. See, the kids love it too. I don't know if that's a cop over there. Alright, so we're gonna get back to it. And just kind of like, I gotta get there in a hurry, but like you guys said, I'll try to be less asshole oriented with this one. You know, I could go right, but try to be a good sport bike gentleman with biker etiquette. I'm not going to stoop to the level of the other cars where everybody drives like an a-hole. But me, no. I'm good. I'm changed. I'm a changed man. Except that one time on today's trip. I'm going to have to run this red light if it takes any longer, because like my bike is getting hot. The kids love to bike. Alright. So we'll go not super fast. You hear my pops and bangs. Alright, that was just a merge. See? Now we're good. I'm gonna get up here in traffic and we're gonna chill. Just gonna chill. Do nothing super crazy. Just kind of like nice and slow. We're not gonna blow by people at 1,000,000 miles an hour. Okay, you guys see why bikes are nice though, because you do have here, I'll slow down so I'm not riding like an ass. But like, that right there is why bikes are nice. Because you have, when I'm in a truck, I can't go around these people. They're just sitting there in the left lane, just hogging it. Like this guy, I'm pretty sure the guy on the right is actually going faster. There, we're gonna sneak on by right there. So like, that's just one of those things. You guys know you hate guys who ride in the left lane. Y'all hate it. See, and then when you're done with the left lane passing, you get over to the right. We'll do some low speed. Slow. Hi, buddies. Nice and slow. See, I feel like this is a lot more dangerous though. Like, because if I go really, really fast, they don't see me coming and it just kind of like, bam, safe. But if I go really slow, I feel like it gives them more of a chance to hit me if they want to, you know? I mean, I'll play along by y'all's rules, but I'm sure most of y'all don't want me to split though, which is, it's fine. I can understand it. It's not for everybody. Look at all that. That's a nice truck. Oh, see, he was gonna come over and then I scared him. Damn it. I didn't mean to do that. Trying to keep my speed down and be safe, because I'm a safe rider who is not an asshole. I don't know how that's gonna sound in the mic. I hope yelling. Hey, lift axle. I hope yelling isn't gonna affect much. Bam! Bam! Here, I'll pull the clutch in to pass this guy. That way I don't scare him. And I'll wait patiently behind this guy. Hey, I got lucky, he's turning. Was a good one. I don't know if the camera would pick that one up. That one sounded like a gunshot. See if I can hit 40 on this. Hey. All right, so I'm gonna be fair here. I don't think lane filtering is an asshole move. Like when you're, if vehicles are like stopped at lights and shit, I don't think that's an asshole move. I think that's a safety thing. Because I feel like a bike has a much higher chance of getting rear-ended. So if I go down the middle, I have a less chance of getting rear-ended. That's my opinion. But someone else might not see it the same way. But I'm still going to do it because, like, you're not really hurting anything, and it would be cool to see it legalized, like in California. So, I mean, it's legal over there, and if Cali legalizes it, you know, then it should be fine. Because Cali hates anything to do with fun. Like, I think that's the only benefit to living over there, dodging potholes, is the lane filtering. I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna wait my turn, you know? I'm just gonna chill back here until everybody's at a stoplight. I'm being a good rider. I feel like I'm taking rider in training right now, and y'all are judging me. All 20 of you that are gonna see this. I'm gonna get behind the white guy right here. Oh, two white guys. Hey. This sucks. I'll be honest. This is kind of boring. Look at that. Everybody cutting everybody off. Here, I'm gonna get behind this guy now. Well, actually, I mean, I guess that was a bad idea. I'll get behind this guy now. Oh, the light's green. That means it should be green by the time we get up there. Alright, we got plenty of room. See, we're being... What the... No! That sucks. Oh, man, that sucks. Alright, well, I'm going to call it at this point. Bro, the line is there. People are so dumb. Like, the line's there, and she's all the way back there. Like, that's just stupid. Is that a biker? Hell yeah, it is. So, I'm going to call it here. I hope you guys enjoyed this segment of me not riding like an asshole. I'd say, give me a score. Give me a score in the comments to show me that you watched the video. And tell me how I did. Did I do good or what? In my opinion, I think I got an 85. So, appreciate you guys. See you in the next video. All 20 of you. Later. Yeah.